AI is evolving faster than ever, and 2026 is already delivering major headlines. In this video, we'll break down the most important AI news right now, what happened, why it matters, and how it affects you. Story number 1. Spain tightens AI deepfake laws. Spain just approved a draft law to curb non-consensual AI-generated deepfakes and strengthen image consent rules. This means companies and creators may need permission before using someone's likeness or voice, especially in commercial AI content. These changes are part of a broader European push to regulate AI content and protect people's rights online. Why this matters? As AI tools get more powerful and accessible, legal frameworks are finally catching up, and creators need to stay on top of this for copyright and ethical use. Story number 2. Pentagon integrates Elon Musk's Grok AI. The U.S. Department of Defense announced that it's incorporating xAI's Grok chatbot alongside Google's AI systems for military and intelligence work. This decision highlights how governments are using AI in critical national operations, even amid controversy over deepfakes and content moderation. Why this matters? When major institutions adopt AI at this level, it signals serious mainstream acceptance and new opportunities for developers, researchers, and businesses. Story number 3. Games Workshop bans AI in creative design. Games Workshop, known for Warhammer and other creative IP, has banned AI from its design and creative process to preserve human imagination. Many artists and creative professionals are watching this closely as part of a larger debate on AI versus human originality. Why this matters? While AI boosts productivity, some industries resist its use, especially where originality and artistry are core values. Story number 4. Bill Gates weighs in with major AI prediction. Bill Gates recently emphasized that AI may be the most transformative invention in human history, saying it could revolutionize fields like healthcare, but also warned about misuse, including potential bioterror risks. Why this matters? When major institutions adopt AI at this level, it signals serious mainstream acceptance and new opportunities for developers, researchers, and businesses. Story number 5. AI trends shaping the future. Experts are predicting that in 2026, AI will become more pragmatic and integrated, shifting from hype to real-world implementation, hybrid computing, and multimodal AI that handles text, images, and video at once. Why this matters? These trends will affect tools you use every day, from ChatGPT to productivity software, and influence what skills are most valuable moving forward. 2026 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for artificial intelligence, with legal reforms, powerful government use cases, ethical battles and creativity, big predictions from tech leaders, and new AI capabilities on the way. If you want to stay up to date with the most important AI news and developments, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.